You're welcome back to the session with your own friend Edu Ada. Thank you for joining me on my platform, Mathematics with Edu Ada. I want to employ everyone under the sound of this class to please endeavor to subscribe to my channel and also share with students, parents, caregivers, and teachers who will likely have this channel being useful to them. So please subscribe to my channel. You can also like the videos, make your comments known, and share. Thank you very much. So today we're talking about arithmetic progression, or what we call the linear progression. What can you see on the screen? So in the course of doing this, I'm going to be explaining what a linear progression is. All basically you are dealing with is to find your first term, locate your first term, your common difference, and your nth term. That's all. That's all we are doing for arithmetic progression. So we move. Now, when we have, what's the formula for an AP? You have it. The formula for an AP, it is the Tn, the nth term of an arithmetic progression. When you have a progression like 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on and on. This is an arithmetic progression. Why is an arithmetic progression? You can get the successive terms by adding 1 to the what? To the previous term. Each of these, this is A, is the first term, or you call it T1. This is the second term, is T2. Third term, T3. On and on like that. So T3, your common difference D is always T2 minus T1, which of course should be equal to T3 minus T2. On and on till you have your Tn plus 1 minus your Tn. So this is what generates our common difference by subtracting the succeeding term or the preceding term from the succeeding term, or the previous term from the succeeding term. Then that is a common difference. Then your first term is the first number in the sequence. Am I communicating? So that's how we go. So let's quickly solve these questions that we have here. We don't have all the time to our side. The first question says, the first term of an AP, the first term, that is T4, is equals to what? 8. While the common difference D is given as minus 2. Now the question is to find the 15th term, T15. What will be the 15th term? What you do here, what about fourth term? T4 actually means that we have A plus, we put it in the bracket, n minus 1 times D. So T4, this is n is 4 here, that will be A plus n minus 1, 3 times D, we have 3D. So T4 is actually equal to A plus 3D. That implies, since our first term is 8, 8 will be equals to A plus 3D. 3 times the common difference. And I've been told that the common difference is minus 2. So that implies that 8 can be equal to A plus what? 3 open in bracket of minus 2. And what do we have? That should be equal to A minus 6. So 8 is equal to A minus 6. Then our A can be equal to 8 plus 6. And that means our first term is 14. So since our first term is now 14, we can get and easily solve for the 15th term. So here we go. Fifteenth term. T15, which of course you should know should be A plus 14D. If you put that in the nth term formula, you get this. So our first term is 14. So 15th term should be equal to 14 plus 14 times our common difference is minus 2. So that should be equal to 14 minus 28. Yeah, so what do we have? So 14 minus 28, that will be minus 14. That's what our 15th term will give us. We are done with that. Let's move to question 2. Question 2 quickly. I'll call it a short. But you also say the 12th term of an AP. The 12th term is T12 is 4 times the 4th term. T12 is equal to 4 times T4. Yes, it is 4 times the 4th term. What's the relationship between the 4th term and the common difference? What is the relationship? What is the relationship between the first term and the what? The first term and the common difference. So let's rewrite this, their formulas. So T12 means A plus 11D, and that should be equal to 4 open bracket A plus 3D. So that means A plus 11D can be equals to 4A plus 12D. So collecting like terms, you are going to be having A minus 4A can be equals to 12D minus 11D. So minus 3A can be equals to D. So what does that imply? So I can say A is equal to minus D. Oh, so let me just write it here. So I can say that my A is equal to D divided by minus 3. So this relationship between A and D. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any question, drop them on the comment section. It will be attended to. Please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, like and make your comments. See you some other time.